collapsed at the Bethune Annex on Howard University's campus.
Yeah, that's right. So university officials say a pipe burst. It caused that collapse on Monday, and students have been sent to other dining halls for their meals.
But a couple of Howard alums wanted to do more than just wait for the dining hall to reopen. Melissa Kim shares their story.
Inside the doors of 1942 DC is community.
This is just a small gesture for us to give back to the students at Howard University.
Siobhan Holman is one of the co-owners of 1942 DC and a Howard alum. When she and co-owner Ben G heard the Bethune Annex dining hall was closed due to flooding, they sprung into action.
The community that raised me, generations have done so much for the community so that I could walk on the yard. And so it's only right that I do that for the next generation.
1942 DC offered $10 meals to students on Tuesday night, with their partners at nearby restaurant Jerk at Night, also owned by Howard alums.
Jerk wings, cabbage, rice and peas, mac and cheese, a chicken, very well seasoned. We marinated for like 3 days, everything is very well seasoned to the best of our ability.
Students feeling warmth, not just in a hot meal, but comfort in the care that a fellow Bison provided.
This is why I came to Howard in the first place, just having that sense of community and that support, and the fact that we have alumni still giving back to us even though they have graduated just means a lot for me.
I'm really big into the whole idea of really giving back to the places that help shape you. So this is literally her doing that in real time.
She's decided to stay here and pour back into a community that supported her through a big part of her life. It's very meaningful and it's very inspiring.
But for Siobhan and Chef Gerald Andrews, it was simply the right thing to do.
It feels good. It's just a good feeling.
It's a blessing that I have this opportunity.
Ladies.
On U Street, Melissa Kim, WUSA 9.